Flat top grooving saw blades are essential for making woodworking joints like rabbets, tenons, box joints, splines, and much more. The alternating top bevel grind on a standard blade leaves behind undesired ridges that makes using your table saw for joinery techniques a bit of a challenge. Woodpecker's Ultra-Shear lineup offers 3 different sizes of flat top grooving saw blades to help you achieve flawless joinery and speed up your process while doing so. These blades are available in a 1/8, 3/16, and a 1/4 inch kerf size. Each 10-inch blade features 40 perfectly square, razor-sharp teeth that allow you to create perfectly flat bottoms with 0 cleanup work required afterwards. You can find our entire selection of premium saw blades on our website at woodpeck.com.